We've all got them. Hanging around the house, taking up space in the back storeroom, that corner of the garage, or the outdoor shed. Items that can't be thrown into the trash and can't be put in a standard recycling cart. Items that need a place that's not in your way. Collier County has the solution for items such as automotive fluids, poisons, car batteries, and even paint. They have a recyclable future. They can all come here to one of Collier County's recycling centers. As you can see, our recycling centers are pretty busy with people dropping off all sorts of items.
Morning.
Morning, sir. How you doing?
Good. What's up?
Okay, what do you have in the back?
I've got some cardboard. I got some automotive batteries.
Okay.
I've got a computer monitor.
Okay.
And that's about it.
As you pull up to the office, you'll stop and report the items you're bringing in. Your load will be inspected, and any fees due will be collected.
Sir, all the items that you have in the back is free.
Oh,
okay?
That's a good thing.
And just hold on here for a minute, and I'll get your receipt, and then I'll tell you where to dispose of the stuff.
Fine, thanks.
Okay?
Appreciate that.
Okay?
You will be issued your receipt and directed to the areas where you can drop off your items.
There's your receipt for your items that you have.
Right.
You pull up to the stop sign here.
Right.
You're going to make a right for the batteries and also the electronics. Okay? And then you're going to go toward the tall white canopy to get rid of your cardboard.
Okay, good.
At the recycling centers, we accept both residential as well as commercial recyclables. Residents of Collier County can come 5 days a week and recycle a long list of items. Gasoline, antifreeze, used motor and cooking oil, vehicle batteries, fluorescent lamps, latex paint, pesticides, pool chemicals. Whew, what a list! And all of that is in addition to more standard items such as cardboard, newspaper, phone books, magazines, catalogs, junk mail, cereal boxes, glass, office paper, and even metal appliances. Collier County even recycles electronics. So if you have wondered what to do about that old computer, television, VHS machine, or 8-track, you can bring them to any of the recycling centers. Collier County also has a dynamic recycling program in place for businesses. You can bring in cardboard, office paper, plastics, magazines, phone books, metal, fluorescent bulbs, oil, and non-alkaline batteries, and the like, 5 days a week. The expanded recycling efforts for businesses includes hazardous waste disposal. Businesses can make an appointment to drop off their hazardous waste with a hazardous materials vendor right here at the Naples Recycling Center. Hazardous waste can be grouped into one of the following categories: toxic, flammable, corrosive, or reactive.
Some of the items that commercial vendors bring in are flammable, such as xylene, waterproofing. This here container right here is full of turpentine, excess turpentine. We have pesticides, herbicides, oil-based paint, corrosives. Any and everything you could possibly think of, they try to bring in, but is not acceptable as household hazardous waste. The county provides the chemist. He analyzes each and every individual one. He'll test it to see if it's an acid, if it's a base, if it's a pesticide, and segregate it accordingly. The contractual agreement is strictly between the commercial customer and the vendor who's doing the clean out.
Now, David, you have done this correctly. Now, if clean up your car wash, if the regulators come around and say, "Oh, where's that? All the solvents that you had in your back room," you say, "I took it to the Collier County Household Hazardous Waste site on the Monday that they accept businesses, and they gave me a receipt. Here's a receipt." And it's very important that you hang on to this now, because if a regulator comes around to the car wash or any type of code enforcement or anybody, they say, "Oh, what happened to your back room full of solvent?" You just say, "These guys took it, and here's the documentation for it." So it's very important that you hang on to this.
With each passing day, more products are produced that can be recycled. So if you have items that can't go into the standard recycling cart, take them to one of the Collier County recycling centers. Recycling. It all comes back to you.